Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these mini twist outs. So if you want to see this video, stay tuned. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, share the video, subscribe if you have not, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page at I am just Georgia Key. I'm going to leave like a screenshot of my Instagram so you guys can see, so you have no excuse to follow me. So this is the end result, but let's get into the video. I show you the beginning. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is washed out and it's feeling a little bit softer. So now I'm gonna just go in with this it's Mega Thick Intense Repair, Rebuilding, Thicken and Treatment. So this is not the only thing that's in it. It also has castor oil, tea tree oil, and different oils for your hair. So now I'm gonna just section my hair out. Section my hair out, and then I'm just gonna add it. I'm gonna add this oil to my hair, and then I'm gonna just twist it out. If you guys would like to see how I make this oil for hair growth, I could also make it for you guys. I could also do a tutorial to show you guys how I do it. Then I'm gonna go ahead with my brush. It doesn't have to be, the part doesn't have to be neat, because all I'm doing is just protecting my hair from leave out, from leaving it out. And then I'm just gonna catch it up after I finish doing these braids. Okay, I have these twist out in for like 4 to 5 days. I'm not sure when I did them, but I think I did them like Tuesday. I'm not sure. It was like 4 to 5 days. So I'm gonna just undo them now so you guys can see my twist outs. Yeah. So I use this treatment, this oil that I made, and it's like it keeps your hair moisturized forever. Even when you wash it, it's like still in there. So I'm gonna just start undo them. You guys can see. So do this one. I didn't do them like too small because I don't really like my twisters too small. I need them jumbo. Yeah. Make sure you guys like this video and share it. Also follow me on Instagram. My followers are going up on Instagram. I see that. Yeah, look at this. It's so nice. Let me show you this side. Yeah. The curls are like popping. Yo, look at those curls. Are so nice. We have one right here. Big one. I'm just gonna separate them a little bit more. See, my ear is like it's still oily. It's nice. Retain the moisture. a little bit of lemon. Just using my hands to stretch it a little bit to make it puffy. But do you guys like it? Because I do. If you guys like it, make sure you leave a comment down below. Yeah, this is cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my Murray edge wax. I'm not gonna put a lot on it. I'm just putting a little bit on it. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Okay, so this is my twister. This is the end result of my twister. If you guys like this video, make sure you go ahead and like it, share the video, subscribe if you have not, comment down below, follow me on Instagram and my Facebook group, and I am just Georgia K. So tell me what you think about this. Bye guys.